The Belgian Malinois is a breed known for its intelligence, agility, and strong work ethic. These dogs are often used in high-stakes roles, such as military and police work, search and rescue operations, and service dog duties. While they are highly regarded for their skills, the Belgian Malinois can sometimes display aggressive behavior, particularly when not properly managed or when their needs are not adequately met. Aggression in Belgian Malinois can manifest in various ways, from excessive barking and territorial behavior to more dangerous reactions, such as biting or attacking. Understanding the causes of aggressive behavior in this breed and implementing appropriate solutions is crucial for maintaining a safe and harmonious environment for both the dog and its owners. This essay will explore the causes of aggression in Belgian Malinois, including environmental, genetic, and behavioral factors, and will discuss various solutions to prevent or address aggression, ensuring that the breed remains a loyal and well-behaved companion. Aggression in Belgian Malinois is often linked to their intense drive to work, their protective instincts, and their high energy levels. The breed was initially developed for herding and guarding purposes, and this history has shaped the Malinois' protective nature. The breed's territorial instincts can sometimes be mistaken for aggression when the dog is simply performing its natural role as a protector of its family and territory. However, when this behavior is not managed appropriately, it can escalate into aggressive tendencies that can cause problems in a family setting or in social interactions with strangers or other animals. Additionally, the Belgian Malinois' strong drive to perform tasks and its sensitivity to its handler's commands can sometimes result in frustration or anxiety, which may contribute to aggressive behavior if not properly addressed. One of the primary causes of aggression in Belgian Malinois is improper socialization, particularly during the early stages of development. Like many dog breeds, the Belgian Malinois is highly impressionable during its puppyhood, typically from 8 to 16 weeks of age. This period is critical for socializing the dog to different people, animals, and environments. If a Belgian Malinois puppy is not adequately socialized, it may develop fear-based aggression, particularly toward unfamiliar people, other dogs, or situations. Fear-induced aggression is often a defense mechanism for a dog that feels threatened or unsure of its surroundings. Belgian Malinois that are not exposed to a variety of situations in a controlled and positive manner may grow up to be overly cautious or reactive in unfamiliar environments, which can lead to aggressive responses to new stimuli. Additionally, a lack of proper socialization can result in territorial aggression, where the dog becomes overly protective of its home and family members. While the Belgian Malinois' instinct to protect is valuable in roles like law enforcement or military service, it can become problematic in a household setting if the dog perceives visitors or strangers as a threat. Territorial aggression may manifest in behaviors such as growling, barking, or even biting when a new person enters the home, or when the dog is approached by someone it does not recognize. These types of behaviors can be mitigated through early socialization, with a variety of people and animals, teaching the dog to associate new experiences with positive outcomes rather than seeing them as threats. Another significant cause of aggression in Belgian Malinois is a lack of mental and physical stimulation. As one of the most intelligent dog breeds, the Belgian Malinois has a strong need for regular mental challenges and physical exercise. Without sufficient stimulation, the breed may become bored, frustrated, or anxious, which can lead to aggressive behavior. A Belgian Malinois that is not provided with enough exercise may develop pent-up energy, which can result in undesirable behaviors such as destructive chewing, digging, or barking. Furthermore, a lack of mental stimulation can cause the dog to become fixated on certain tasks, objects, or behaviors, resulting in frustration that may manifest as aggression. The need for regular exercise and engagement is particularly important for the Belgian Malinois, as the breed's intelligence and energy drive them to seek out challenges and tasks to complete. Aggression in Belgian Malinois can also stem from poor training or inconsistent discipline. While the breed is highly trainable and eager to please, Belgian Malinois require clear boundaries, consistent commands, and structured training to prevent undesirable behaviors. Inconsistent training or a lack of clear leadership can lead to confusion and frustration for the dog, resulting in aggressive responses to situations where the dog feels it is not receiving appropriate guidance. For example, a Malinois may become anxious or aggressive if it perceives a lack of authority or leadership within the household. This can be especially problematic in households where the dog's handler is not firm or confident, as the dog may attempt to assert dominance or control over its environment. Establishing firm, consistent rules and reinforcing positive behaviors are essential for ensuring that the Belgian Malinois remains well-behaved and responsive to its handler. Another potential cause of aggression in Belgian Malinois is the breed's high prey drive. Originally bred for herding and guarding, the Malinois has an instinctual desire to chase and capture prey. This can result in aggression towards small animals, such as squirrels, rabbits, or even cats, as the dog's predatory instincts are triggered. While this prey drive is natural for the breed, it can present challenges in a home with smaller pets or other animals. Belgian Malinois may exhibit aggressive behaviors like chasing, nipping, or even attacking smaller animals if their prey drive is not managed properly. Training, supervision, and early socialization with other pets can help mitigate these tendencies. But it is essential to understand that the breed's natural instincts may sometimes be difficult to control, particularly if the dog is not given adequate outlets for its energy. In addition to environmental and behavioral factors, genetics can also play a role in aggression in Belgian Malinois. Like all dog breeds, there is variability in temperament and behavior among individual dogs, and some Malinois may be more predisposed to aggression than others due to their genetic background. Dogs that come from poorly bred lines or from parents with aggressive tendencies may be more likely to develop similar traits. However, it is important to note that aggression in Belgian Malinois is often the result of a combination of genetics and environmental factors. And responsible breeding practices can reduce the likelihood of aggressive behavior by selecting for calmer, more stable temperaments. Reputable breeders who prioritize temperament and health in their breeding programs can help ensure that their puppies are well-adjusted and less likely to exhibit aggressive behaviors. Addressing aggressive behavior in Belgian Malinois requires a multifaceted approach that includes early socialization, consistent training, proper mental and physical stimulation, and careful management of the dog's environment. One of the most important steps in preventing or reducing aggression is providing the dog with proper socialization from a young age. Exposing the Belgian Malinois to a wide range of people, animals, and environments in a controlled and positive manner helps the dog develop confidence and reduces the likelihood of fear-based aggression. Early socialization is particularly important for preventing territorial aggression, as it teaches the dog that new people or situations are not inherently threatening. Training is also essential in managing aggressive behavior in Belgian Malinois. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as rewarding the dog for calm and non-aggressive behavior, can help encourage appropriate responses to new stimuli. Additionally, teaching the dog basic obedience commands, such as sit, stay, and leave it, can help the handler maintain control in situations where the dog may be prone to aggression. It is important that training is consistent, as Belgian Malinois respond best to clear and firm leadership. Using harsh or punitive methods can exacerbate aggression and cause the dog to become fearful or anxious, which may worsen behavioral issues. Instead, positive reinforcement and reward-based training should be the primary methods used to manage aggression in Belgian Malinois. Providing sufficient physical and mental stimulation is another key factor in preventing aggressive behavior. Belgian Malinois require regular exercise to release their energy, and a lack of exercise can lead to frustration and anxiety, which can manifest as aggression. Activities such as running, hiking, or engaging in dog sports like agility or obedience can help satisfy the Malinois' need for physical activity. Mental stimulation is equally important, as Belgian Malinois are highly intelligent and need tasks that challenge their minds. Puzzle toys, scent games, and advanced training exercises can help keep the dog mentally engaged and prevent boredom. Engaging the Malinois in work-related tasks, such as scent detection or search and rescue, can be particularly fulfilling for the breed, providing both mental and physical stimulation while also giving the dog a sense of purpose. Supervision and management of the dog's interactions with other animals are also critical for preventing aggression. For example, when introducing a Belgian Malinois to new pets or children, it is essential to monitor their interactions and intervene if necessary to prevent the dog from becoming overly territorial or aggressive. In multi-dog households, careful management of the dog's interactions and providing each dog with its own space and resources can help reduce competition and prevent aggression. Training the Belgian Malinois to understand and respect boundaries is essential for maintaining a peaceful environment in the home. Finally, for those who are experiencing persistent aggression in their Belgian Malinois, consulting with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist is recommended. A professional can assess the dog's behavior, identify the root causes of the aggression, and develop a tailored training plan to address the issue. In some cases, aggression may be linked to underlying health issues, such as pain or discomfort, and a veterinarian's evaluation may be necessary to rule out any medical causes. In conclusion, while the Belgian Malinois is a highly intelligent and versatile breed, aggressive behavior can occur if the dog's needs are not met or if it is not properly socialized and trained. Understanding the causes of aggression, including environmental, genetic, and behavioral factors, is essential for addressing the issue effectively. By providing proper socialization, consistent training, and sufficient mental and physical stimulation, owners can prevent or mitigate aggressive behavior in Belgian Malinois and help ensure that the breed's natural protective instincts are channeled in positive ways. With the right guidance, the Belgian Malinois can be a well-behaved, loyal, and loving companion, capable of thriving in a variety of environments and roles.